Hi and welcome to this course on how to grow your YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the ranking factors of YouTube. YouTube and Google algorithm is keep changing and it is very hard to keep up with the latest development, but if you want your videos in the top of YouTube search, you should know what are the factors on which YouTube rank a video. Well, honestly, no one knows the exact algorithm of YouTube, but well-optimized and engaging videos get more and more views over time. There are so many ranking factors and we will discuss all the known factors in our course, but for this video, we have categorized these factors to three main categories. The first one is keyword research for title, tags, description, etc. Video keyword research is the task of finding words and phrases that people use to search for a video online. As you know that millions of people use YouTube search every day and find videos about music, sports, health, business and more. In other words, it's likely that someone from your target audience is searching for one of your videos right now. And if you can identify the keyword they are searching to search, and then you can optimize your video around that keyword, your video can show up at the top of the search results. We can use different tools for keyword research and we will discuss about some important ones in this course. The second important ranking category is getting initial views on the video. While there is a chance that you may get good results even if you don't have initial views, but trust me, the first 24 to 48 hours are critical to your video's success. Initial views provide a bunch of important initial signals that help dictate the success of your YouTube video. In other words, the first few hours of your video is a testing ground for you. If you get good amount of initial views, the algorithm is more likely to show the video to new eyeballs. For initial views, it is important to make your title and your thumbnails as engaging as possible, while also using your title and thumbnail to tell a potential viewer that what the video is about. Thumbnail is helpful to increase your CTR and engagements as well. The third important ranking category is engagement. Engagement as in views, likes, comments, users retention, subscribers, watch time and video shares. Remember that there is no shortcut to success. You will have to be patient enough and should be able to produce quality content which will automatically get you more engagement. But let me give you some suggestions on how to publicize your video to a wider audience. The most easiest thing to do is to tell everyone you know. Go tell your friends, your parents, your relatives. Use your social network reach. Social network can reach a lot wider audience before your video gets ranked well on YouTube. Share your video in every social media platform you use and you will attract a lot more traffic from those sources. Choose your topic wisely and tell your viewers to like, comment and subscribe. Also, the most important thing to note down is to listen to your audience and create content based on what they like. In this video, we will discuss whether you should be focusing on YouTube search or YouTube suggested videos. While so many YouTube creators are focusing on search to try to grow their channels, but what I have found is that when your channel is growing very fast, it is very rarely because of people searching your content. It almost always comes from suggested videos in the homepage. In this lesson, I want to give you guys a plan, a strategy that you can implement on your channel in order to just dominate those suggested videos and blow up your channel. First of all, YouTube suggests videos because they believe that the next video that they are surfacing for the viewer is likely the next video that they will want to watch because they watched this previous video. What YouTube is trying to do is to increase that viewing session on their platform for as long as possible. YouTube will track that information and start learning that if we surface video A, people stay on YouTube for extra 30 minutes. But if we put video B in front of them, they stay on YouTube for only an extra 5 minutes. So video B will probably not become nearly as suggested as video A. So one practical takeaway here is that if your videos are always trying to end the viewing session by getting people over to your website to buy your course, or follow you on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, that video just might not perform very well for long term, because if it's effectively ending the viewing sessions on YouTube platform, then it's probably not going to be suggested that great in the future. So before we discuss further, I really need to explain what I mean by getting recommended or suggested by YouTube. So you can see the recommended videos either on the YouTube homepage like this, or on the sidebar when you are watching a specific video. If you ever noticed videos on your homepage, those videos are not videos from the people you have subscribed to. Some may be from the people you have subscribed to, but not all of them. YouTube does have an algorithm where they determine what videos you are going to like and what videos you are going to watch, so they can keep you on the platform for even longer and longer. In terms of the sidebar on the right hand side of all your YouTube videos that you are watching, this includes recommendations of videos they think you should be watching next after this video. So I will be talking about how to optimize your videos so your videos can appear in both of these places. So if you look at your channel's analytics, traffic from the home screen, subscription feed, watch letter, and other browsing features means browse feature. And traffic from suggestions that appear next to or after other videos means suggested videos traffic. Now let's discuss how to be in the top of the recommended videos list. I know it's not what you guys want to listen from me, but one of the most important thing that I want you all to remember is that you need numbers to get more numbers. If you are at the point where you are getting only 10 views on your YouTube videos and asking me why are not you getting picked up at the YouTube suggested videos, you need to have proof to show YouTube that you actually have a good video and people like that video and they are engaging positively with that video. Then and only then are they actually going to recommend it on the platform. Suggested videos algorithm not only works on the basis of likes you are getting, but also other engagement metrics like how many viewers are there, how many comments are there, and how many viewers actually watched this video till end. For the start, you can definitely focus on YouTube search instead of suggested videos, as you need views and engagement on your video to appear in the recommended videos, but your goal should not be the YouTube search only. In your YouTube analytics section, you can see what videos are driving you more views to your YouTube channel. Most of the videos that are driving views to your YouTube channel may be your own videos if you have a defined niche and not just uploading every type of video you want to. YouTube understands that what video to show you next if you are watching this specific video. As I already said, YouTube wants to recommend videos that they think viewers are honestly going to watch, so they can stay on the platform for longer and longer. One other tip to be in the suggested videos is to make a strong call to action at the end of the video, where you yourself suggest a video or playlist and tell them why they should watch this video next. That's it for now. I hope this lesson was helpful. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and I will see you in the next lesson.